Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we are back live with our second pack opening of 2025 Prizm Mega Box. The first two packs out of the Prizm, we hit Rookie Gear, my first Rookie Gear memorabilia patch, Kyle McCord rookie card patch at that. Only about probably like $5 raw, but that's still alright. But let's see what we can get out of these next two. We got Bryce Young, quarterback. Rookie card, Tyleik Williams. Rookie card, Khalil Mullins, Tennessee. We got Kyron Williams. Puka Nacua. Leonard Williams. And Frank Gore. So that one pack wasn't that great, but let's see what we can do out of this one. Tarheeb Still. Cameron Kinchins. DJ Giddens, rookie card from Colts. Prismatic Abdul Carter. Rookie card Michael Williams. Mark Andrews. And Cooper DeSheen. So nothing too special out of those, but like I said, we're getting more on the Thursday, the July 2nd too, but we still have two of the mystery packs left, and then 4 absolute packs from the Mega, and then 2 Prizm ones left to rip. So hopefully all them remaining ones are lucky, but if not, we're buying more on the Thursday. So see you on the next one, everyone. Peace.